Happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, we have job leads like Drive Time, General Mills, Live Nation, Nestle. Of course, we've got some customer service. We've got some non-phone administrative type jobs. Just a little bit of something for everyone. As always, the links to all the pages I'm going to share are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. If you want to read reviews on the company, put those applications in. I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these, let me know by giving me that direct feedback. You can give this video a thumbs up, like button, or leave something in the comments. Of course, share with all your friends and family because we all want to be working from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But without wasting any time, first up, we have the company Conduent. I've shared the company Conduent on this channel multiple times before. They have 8,900 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a bill review services associate. Now, this is going to be remote work from home. Pay is going to be $19 an hour. And even though they're hiring throughout the United States, they are looking for somebody to specifically work Monday through Friday, so no weekends. They want somebody to work 6 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you'll have to convert your hours to see if that will work for you. But they're looking for somebody who is detail-oriented to join their bill review team, being responsible for reviewing and analyzing complex bills and invoices, making sure that they are accurate and in compliance with the company's policies and procedures. So this is going to be basically an administrative role. You're going to be responsible for pulling reports, providing guidance to support processing, assisting with complex cases, and answering questions. You'll assign work daily to the processors, maintaining employee calendars, and tracking daily numbers. So you'll have to generate reports and metrics to track bill review performance. Now, as far as what they are looking for, no college degree is needed, just somebody who has great attention to detail, checking for that accuracy, someone who can be a multitasker with great communication skills. Of course, you've got to know how to use Microsoft Office, specifically Microsoft Excel. If you have knowledge in medical billing and coding, that's a plus, but it is not required. Next up, we have the company Drive Time. Drive Time sells cars and does their own loans and financing for cars. Now, Drive Time itself is a parent organization. They have 1,200 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. Drive Time owns a lot of smaller companies. One of the smaller companies that they own is SilverRock. Now, SilverRock only has 58 reviews, but they have a 3.5 out of 5 star rating. And they are hiring a remote customer service representative. Now, it says the Drive Time family of brands that includes SilverRock is providing, SilverRock specifically provides those quality warranty products for their vehicles. They are looking for somebody to do customer service. So they're looking for somebody who can help simplify the overly complex and frustrating world of automotive warranties. So you're going to explore ways to anticipate customer needs by involving in self-service options while staying true to the goal of providing that world-class customer support. So you are going to be faced with an environment that has some challenging calls on a daily basis. So they're looking for somebody who can stay calm, have a positive emotional resilience, and someone who is a problem solver. Now, above that, you got to have great communication skills, and a high school diploma is required. Of course, they always prefer a college degree, but the only requirement is a high school diploma and 3 years of experience working in some kind of a customer service role where you can show that you've done conflict resolution. Now, pay is going to be $18.50 if you only have that high school diploma. If you have an associate's or bachelor's degree, you get $19.50 an hour. And if you are fluent in speaking Spanish, you get an extra 25 cents an hour on top of that. Of course, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, all the things. Next up, we have General Mills, the food brand that makes all the cereals that we love. They are looking for a customer operations team leader. This is U.S. remote eligible. One thing I want to quickly note about this job, it is very high paying, but it is going to require a college degree. They're looking for somebody to basically manage and lead a team of their customer operations specialists. So a team of about 10 to 15 people, giving operational and service excellence support and leverage the capabilities to drive supply chain efficiencies. So you'll be responsible for educating, developing, and motivating the customer operations team to help order process standards, deliver customer initiatives, and improve the AFO and SAP technical skills, enabling collaboration across customer boundaries. So you're going to establish a culture of belonging with the team, providing that process guidance around order to cash responsibilities. So like adding to orders, pricing issues, identifying and implementing any process improvements that are put in place. You'll also be responsible for properly onboarding, training, and developing the team and the new team members. Now, this does, again, like I said, require a bachelor degree in a relevant field, but it doesn't specifically say what fields they're looking for. They do want somebody on top of the degree that has 3 years of work experience or an experience leading a team, being some kind of team leader or supervisor or something like that. You've got to be analytical and have experience in those Microsoft Office systems. Now, please note, it is a remote role open to anyone located in the United States, but they might require occasional travel to their Minnesota headquarters for different things. Pay, however, is very well. It's anywhere from $67,300 a year all the way up to $101,200 a year. If leading a team is not your thing, Live Nation, that is part of Ticketmaster, is hiring a knowledge solutions specialist. Now, for this position, they are only hiring in certain states. Those are Arizona, Oregon, Louisiana, Nevada, Kentucky, Missouri, Illinois, Texas, Michigan, Maryland, and Florida. But they're basically looking for somebody to update, edit, and publish knowledge articles within Salesforce for their team. You'll consult on processes to keep knowledge current and they're relevant to the Ticketmaster software and practices. You'll maintain standardized template for maximum article usage within the product solutions, identifying, communicating, and sharing any knowledge articles and best practices with the product solutions team. So you'll have to participate in onboarding process of new employees to ensure that new team members have a working knowledge of all the Salesforce case management as well as the knowledge article training in general. So this will cause you to have to communicate with the education team and work internally with them. So you're basically going to be creating articles on how to do stuff in the system. They are looking for somebody who has great technical writing skills and somebody who has a previous experience managing knowledge or writing support documentation. So great communication skills and great time management skills. Now, if you have prior Ticketmaster experience, or if you're multilingual Spanish or French, or if you have different Salesforce or previous Salesforce experience, all of those things are pluses on your resume, but not a requirement for this position. Now, unfortunately for this position, they did not list pay. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. Pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Moving right along, we have the James Beard Foundation. Now, they only have 4 reviews from past and current employees, so please always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a 4.0 out of 5-star rating, though. They are looking for somebody to handle administrative support for them. Now, this is going to be a contract position supporting the awards department with direction from their VP. So they're basically looking for somebody to help screen approximately 5,000 to 6,000 entries with direction from the awards team in November, December, January, preparing spreadsheets for committees. You'll support this team in rectifying any errors in the entries and do follow-up emails and communications, supporting the team in preparing for those meetings when required, and you'll have to create tracking lists and collect data demographic information from different survey questions to address for the semifinalists. That's going to happen in February. I think they might have missed the year there. It says 2023, but that would be February of 2024. It's currently 2023. They're running into the new year here. I think someone made an error in the job posting. But nonetheless, this is a non-phone job. They're looking for somebody to average 30 to 40 hours a week, working October, November, and December of 2023, and then January through March of 2024. They're paying $25 an hour. Now, one thing I do want to point out with this job, they're not paying by direct deposit. You'll submit your invoices weekly, and they're paid by check only. So I don't know if that's a downside for some people. But last but not least, we have the company Nestle. Now, Nestle makes all kinds of food products. They also own multiple companies that make other things like Purina and Nespresso. They are looking for a customer support representative. Now they're looking for someone to do basic customer support, answering inbound phone calls, managing direct customer orders, and responding to emails from customers, just answering all product and retail questions that the customers have. They are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, so no weekends, but you'll basically address customer issues and resolve concerns, just becoming a subject matter expert on everything Vital Proteins and their products, familiarizing yourself with the Vital Proteins lifestyle and brand of products. This means you'll update, track the order systems, including any data and information, so you'll have to enter data when you're talking to the customers. Only a high school diploma or GED is required, and 1 year of customer service experience. Of course, again, you gotta know how to use those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, Outlook for email, have great communication skills, and be able to work under pressure and within tight deadlines. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $35,000 a year all the way up to $45,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those. I hope you have a fabulous weekend ahead. Don't forget, if you enjoyed these job leads, give it a thumbs up, like button. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.